Welcome to the channel, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely Oreo cheesecake. My name is Lyndon Houston, and if this is your first time, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. So here I have a Oreo biscuits in the pack. What I'm going to do, just going to open up the pack. It doesn't really matter if some been broken or what. And the next thing what we're going to do, we're going to try to take the middles out of this. So we're going to separate them a bit. So you get two bowls. Let's put it in like this. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take the middles out. So I'm just going to swap this, that you see exactly what I'm doing. So with this, just take a knife and open this. So we just need that bit. So basically what we're doing, we're getting some of the cream out of this. So okay, I put some of the cream in this, and it's just to get the flavor of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set this aside, and here I have some cream cheese in that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my bowl. I'm just going to get one of this biscuit, and I'm going to slightly crush it inside. I'll be adding some sugar to this. My next ingredients, I'm going to add a bit of vanilla, about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, I'll be whipping some double cream to it. So I'm just going to use about half pack of that. And I'm using thick double cream in this. So we're just going to give it a bit of whip. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside now. Here I have some gelatin. I'm just going to pour a little bit of warm water over it. But that's personal preference. You don't have to. Next up, we're going to bliss the biscuit. So this is how I make up the base for this. So I'm using some milk butter in this. So I'll be using this cake pan without the base to do this, and it's personal preference. I'm gonna go ahead and put this straight in. So what I'm doing, I'm just using the spoon to seal this down. You can use a glass, but if you know what you're doing, just gentle. Use a spoon to push this down. So basically that's your base. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the rest of double cream to this. So at this time, I'm gonna use my whisk. You can use an electric whisk if you want. Try to give it a taste. At this point, I'm gonna add my gelatin in. Just add a bit, some flakes of the Oreo in. So we're gonna start pouring our mixture in. We're gonna spread it out in the bottom because I want to get it very even. Next up, we're gonna take our biscuit and push it down a bit. We'd want to get 6 in this, but won't able to get 6 in it. So that should be all right. Next thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start layering over with some Oreo. I have some more on the side here. We're going to put all of that in. So now we're going to put it in the fridge.